Oh my God, Rich. I don't know if I mess up. Oh my God, I did not record this whole thing. Did
Yeah,
you
but I'm
record?
recording it. I can send you mine.
Yeah. Oh, I just started recording now. That sucks though. I'm gonna have to wait for you to send me the file.
What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and as you can see from the intro, I kind of messed up on this video and I forgot to record this collab with RichTVLives, so I apologize for the low quality video in advance. Luckily Rich did record the collab, so I got a copy from him. Either way, this was a very great collab. It has a lot of great information, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to please give me a like. It really helps my channel and it will push me to make more videos, so let's try to get this video to 100 likes.
Investing Hustler here, and today I have another very special guest, RichTVLives. How's it going, Rich?
Unbelievable, man. How are you?
It's going great, man. It's going great. So me and Rich already done a collab before, and it has been very successful. As you can see here, we have a collab. It's titled Aurora Cannabis Predictions, Top 3 Stocks November 2018 with RichTVLives. We already have 9.7K views, so almost 10,000 views. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, check it out. People are loving it. 300 likes. Almost 10,000 views, and so we people want to see more Rich. So I got Rich here again, and we're here to talk about the cannabis sector. So what do you think about today's Green Day, Rich?
I'm loving it, man. You know, as predicted, you know, everybody was panicking when it was in the red. I'm like, guys, this is the time to buy. You know, and I told everybody I bought Aleafia Health, which I sold today for a profit. I told everybody I bought Saniva, which I sold today for a profit. I told everybody that I bought Rivers. I'm almost in profit on that. I told everybody I bought Australis. That's been climbing. And yesterday, and I told everybody I bought Tgod. And Tgod is obviously on fire today. And yesterday I bought more Tgod, 1,000 shares of Tgod. And I bought
Tgod yesterday, eh?
Yeah, and I bought Aurora Cannabis yesterday. And I bought Australis warrants, AUSA.WT. So when I saw Tgod under $3, I immediately went and did a limit order at 287. I didn't get filled at 287, so then I got choked, and then I just did a market order, and I ended up getting it at like 290, 295, something like that, which wasn't the best execution. You know, like I gotta be more patient. But anyways, I just wanted to get in. Whatever. I was like, I'm getting in. And because I had to lower my costs because I got in a little bit higher earlier. And I lowered my costs down to about 341 right now. Yeah. And so now it's been climbing. And what is it at 346? Yes. So I'm in the green now.
20% right now.
Yeah, so I'm in the green now officially. And I bought that last Friday. So out of all the picks I've bought in the last week, all of them have been in the green, including KALY, which is huge up today again today. Can you pull up KALY?
What's their ticker symbol?
KALY.
Just give me a second.
KALY Inc. in America. It's a sub-penny one that everyone in my community, including myself, has been making money with.
KALY Inc. or KALY?
No, KALY Inc.
All right, let's look up KALY.
Yeah, this one is it's careful with this.
KALY's up 45%.
Yeah, it's a sub-penny stock. Be careful with this, but it's up like over 2,000% in the last 2 weeks. Look at the 2-week chart.
Yeah, it does. Let's look at the, I guess, 1 month chart.
Yeah, look at the 1 month chart. It's insane.
Oh, wow. Yep. So it went from literally...
the bottom.
Like...
The bottom.
What is that? 0.0005 of a penny to now it's at 0.0064. So it's went up a lot. I think that's even more than 1,000%.
Yeah, it's up over 2,000% in the last 2 weeks, bro.
Wow.
So our community is making money on this stock. I made money on this stock. I did a video on it. I told everyone when I got in. I told everyone when I got out. It went up even higher than when I got out. It came down. You can see it came down to 3. It came down to 0037. I saw it at 0037. I was in the community. I was like, yo, guys, this thing's down. It's either going to go way down now or it's going to come back up. And bam, the reversal. The reversal. So you see the power there. And this is a stock that's got power behind it. So, yeah, man, I'm excited about it. But it's a penny stock. It's got a stop sign. It's got lots of shares. Be very careful. It is a very risky pick. Very risky pick.
Any sub penny stock is very risky.
But it's getting in the cannabis sector. So
yeah.
anything that starts talking about cannabis that starts to explode, like we want to watch it, right? Yeah. And if it's going to go up 2,000%, we want to be a part of it. That's just what our community is all about. Like the Rich TV Live community is about finding these types of picks. You know, like these are the picks that will change your life, bro.
Yeah, for sure, man. You know? 2,000%.
20 times your money. So on $1,000, you make 20 grand.
That's still not bad.
On 10 grand, you would make 200 grand.
Yeah.
On 100 grand, you would make 2 million.
Yeah, you're right. My math was way off.
Oh, buddy, I know these numbers intrinsically, man, because believe me, man, I'm in this game deep. I'm in this game deep, bro. What do you mean? We know these numbers. I know these numbers, man. I'm buying these stocks. I know.
You're killing it, Rich. You're killing it. Those are some nice gains. 2,000%.
No, I didn't buy it for a 2,000% gain.
Oh,
I wish I did.
How much gains did you make?
I should have made 2 grand, but I made a mistake on my trade. I did a market order instead of a limit order because it was a penny stock and it was moving very fast, and I tried to just get quick execution, but I don't feel like I got the best execution. So I made about $1,500.
That's still money. That's
in 2 hours.
Money.
In 2 hours. So should have been 2 grand. Should have been over 2 grand, but.
What do you think about Apria and their new IPO in the New York Stock Exchange? And they're only up 4% today, but
I love it.
And their ticker symbol changed to APHA. It's no longer APH.
Yeah, I love it, man. You know what's not to love? Afria's a beast, man. So
yeah,
I'm not gonna buy anything over $10. I like to just kind of like buy the things under $10, and then when they go over $10, I sell. That's kind of my thing. But you know, like if you want to buy it, it's a good company. They make money. They're a global company. They have huge potential. They're in the top 3. They're right there with Cannabis Growth being number 1, Aurora Cannabis being number 2, and then Afria being number 3, in my opinion. And there's companies like Tgod that I believe are undervalued, that have a ton of money in the bank, $355 million. They're globally as well. They're growing in multiple continents, and they're undervalued. They're one of the only stocks that's undervalued, in my opinion. So is Oxley. I believe Oxley's undervalued. I believe Oxley is going to be huge. They're a 10x potential company, in my opinion. So for me, I'm trying to find the ones that are undervalued. When they start getting really expensive, that's when I start getting, I don't know. Once they get over $10, I'm not really as interested.
So how about Aurora at $9 right now?
I bought it yesterday, right? So I saw them at 15, and I'm like, well.
At 15, Aurora?
Yeah, remember when it hit 15? Like 2 weeks ago?
Okay, I thought you said yesterday they were at 15.
No. I bought it yesterday because I was like, they're at 15 2 weeks ago. So let me just buy it. You know, they're on the New York Stock Exchange. I feel good about it. It's going to go up.
This is the beginning of a bunch of green days, or you think this is a nice little bull trap and it's going to have a pullback and then...
I've been telling everybody since the beginning, man, there was going to be a correction and then there's going to be a resurrection. So nothing that they're doing is surprising. There has yet to be an explosion. This is not the explosion yet.
Yeah.
Believe me, this is not the explosion yet.
Because if you look at the charts, it's barely moved up to compare to how it was like a month ago.
I made a prediction with Departures Capital. I said we will have an explosion between now and Christmas. Yep. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. We will have an explosion between now and Christmas. We had the correction. Now you're going to see the resurrection.
So would you recommend, I know we're not allowed to, this is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes, but would you recommend Aurora as a buy, or you just should wait for a dip? What do you think?
I think Aurora is an amazing company, and I bought it yesterday. Because based on the chart, like look at that chart. Mm-hmm. I bought at the bottom of the chart. So, you know, I'm not buying at the top of the chart. I try to buy at the bottom of the chart and sell at the top of the chart. So if I can buy it at, $8 and it goes to 15, I'll be happy with my trade. Right?
You're almost doubling your money there.
I didn't buy a lot of it. I only bought a little bit because I was just kind of like, okay, let me see, But right now I'm really focused on Aurora and Tgod. A lot. Yep. Yeah, Tgod. And Australis and Rivers. I want a lot of those 4. A lot.
Canopy Rivers, right?
Yeah, man.
And you said Canopy Rivers is what is it? Canopy 2.0?
Canopy 2.0, bro.
Yep, Canopy Rivers is up 4.4% today. So the whole marijuana sector is doing good. I think the only company that's in the red is Tilray. So what do you think about Tilray?
Like I said, man, once it starts getting over $10, I'm not interested. It's just not for me. You know, like when they start getting over $10, it's just not in my wheelhouse. You know, like I want them when they're cheap, man. You know, like I want them when they're like sub penny to $10.
Yeah.
That's my wheelhouse. That's what our community wants to find. Once they go over $10, let the big boys play with that. I'm not a big boy. I want to do my research and find the undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed monsters. Giants. Oxley's a giant. Vivo's a giant. You know, like these are companies that have tons of money in the bank, unbelievable licenses to do tons of business. They just aren't doing well with their stock. So either they're going to get acquired or they're going to get it together. Tgod has been much higher. This is nothing short of a Christmas present. So I had to buy it. And I'll be honest with you, I'm willing to buy more. I'm not surprised that Tgod's going up. I've been telling everybody, it is the most undervalued. I told everybody today, when it hit $2.45, it is the most undervalued $2.45 stock in the world. That's what I said to my community today. I go, show me another $2.45 stock in the world with no debt and $355 million in the bank and growing cannabis all over the world.
Not to mention it's organic, so that alone will attract a lot of people.
And it's just getting started, man.
Yeah.
It's just getting started. So we're in early. We're first movers. So I'm not surprised with anything that happens, man. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not surprised at anything that happens. Like, this industry is explosive. This industry is powerful. People want to short this industry. I'm calling out all the shorters, okay? I'm calling out all the shorters. You guys are shorting the wrong industry. I've said it before. I'm going to say it again. We are at war. We're at war. This industry we may win. We may lose the battle. We will win the war.
Yes. So speaking of shorters, I don't know. I have heard that you talked to Andrew Left. Is there anything you can speak about that, or is that?
Well, we don't actually speak. It's more like email conversation.
Yeah.
But I do know that Andrew Left is not a big fan of Namaste. And he wants to focus on the fact that their financials are unaudited and the fact that they have a net loss. But at the end of the day, my job is to just read the news. I do not want to get into the battle between the companies and the shorters. Like, I'm not in the battle. My job is to break the news. I break the news. I break the news. I read the news. Once the news is public, I break that news. That's my job. That's what I do. That's my platform. There's a lot of guys that want to, tell me what I should say and what I should do. I'm not going to say and do what anyone else wants me to say or do. RichTVLive is my platform. So I'm going to say and do what I want to say and do. And I'm going to support the companies the way I want to support the companies. And if you don't like it, short it. Go ahead. Short everything I talk about. They shorted KALY. And look what happened with KALY. KALY bounced right back. They shorted Tgod. What happened with Tgod? It bounced right back. So when they're shorting the stocks that I'm talking about, no problem. I'm going to buy them when they're red because that's what I do. So thank you very much, guys, for shorting those stocks. Because they go down, your boy Rich picks them up cheap, and then they bounce up. And then we're in the money. Like, I'm in the money right now. I kind of want to go to my account and look at it because my Tgod is up right now. So everything is climbing that I brought to you guys last Friday, and I told you guys what stocks I bought. I told you guys now that I'm selling. I have no emotion, guys. As soon as I'm up 10% or more, my finger is ready to sell. Honestly, I don't care.
You got that trigger finger. Hey, that's good, man.
So people what like, why? How do you trade like this? Okay, if it goes in the red, I buy it. If it goes down more, I lower my cost. I buy more. I lowered my cost yesterday on Tgod. Now I'm in the green. That's how you trade. You don't sell for a loss. You buy more, especially with good companies. Good companies are very forgiving. They will come back. Good companies will come back, okay? So look at the charts of good companies. Facebook. Look at the charts of Amazon. Look at the chart of Apple. Look at the chart of Google. Good companies go up, okay? So yeah, they may come down short term, but long term they're going to go up. Look at the chart of Aurora Cannabis. Why did I buy Aurora Cannabis at $8? Why did I sell at 13? Look at the numbers I'm buying in and look at the numbers I'm selling. So when it goes back to 13, what do you think I'm going to probably do?
Sell.
Exactly. So you already know how I'm trading.
Yeah,
I'm trying to make it clear for people. I can't tell you guys how to trade. I'm just trying to show you guys how I trade.
Yeah.
Right? And
yeah.
It works. Like there's no reason to take an L.
Yeah. So exactly. So when you see a good company crash or have a slight correction in a way that creates a good buying opportunity,
correct,
people shouldn't panic. Instead, they should be more open to purchasing that company. So yeah, that's great advice, Rich.
That's how I do it, man. There's no reason in this industry to panic sell. This industry is very forgiving. If you panic sold all your stock, right now you're kicking yourself.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. So how about Planet 13? I love Planet 13. I own some Planet 13 shares. They're up 20% today. What do you think about Planet 13? I know you spoke a lot about Planet 13. Let me hear your thoughts on Planet 13.
I love them. You know, they're going after that Vegas market. And I love Vegas, man. Like, Vegas is like, you know, the bright lights of Vegas. Like, we're like, I don't know, man. Like, Vegas is just one of those places. It's got energy, you know, like the boxing and everything. Everything happens in Vegas. So, yeah, like, I don't know. It's just one of those things, man. So, yeah, like, it's one of those companies that has enormous potential. They're making money. They're in the right markets. They're in America where I see the huge potential for cannabis. So yeah, I just think that like up 18% right now.
Yep, up 18.74%. You can see this nice green candle right here. They're up big today.
My goodness.
I don't know. I'm thinking I might just sell some shares because I might dip down and then I'll buy it back up in the cheap.
We making money, people. We're Fabulous Friday. It's true.
Yep. Get some money for the weekend.
Remember, guys, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. I am not a licensed advisor. Do your own due diligence. If you need anything, data services for your public company or private company, we got that. You guys need CBDs, we got CBDs. You need to work under a licensed LP, we got licensed LPs. Whatever you guys need, you need media services, digital advertising media services, your boy Rich, investing hustler, we got you. Holler at your boy. RichTVLive@gmail.com. Holler at your boy. You can go to www.richtvlive.com. Holler at your boy, man. We're here. We're here.
We're here. Oh my God, Rich. I don't know if I mess up. Oh my God. I did not record this whole thing.
Yeah, but I'm recording it. I can send you mine.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. I just started recording now. That sucks, though. I'm going to have to wait for you to send me the file.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, sorry for the low quality. Next time I gotta remind myself to not forget to press that record button. But if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to press that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.